In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I run ads for window cleaning businesses. I'm Joshua, the founder of Adding Ally, and I've been helping service businesses print money with Facebook ads for years now. I'm going to show you guys some results on screen so you know I'm not lying. This is a window cleaner called CQ Services. He's gotten about 123 leads for around a $15 cost per lead. He spent around 2K USD. You can see here we got a CTR of about 1.3 and we averaged the cost per click of about $1. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can set up these ads the exact same. Assuming you guys are already in the Facebook Ads Manager, you're going to click the create button right here and you're going to press leads and then press continue. Your first campaign is going to be a testing campaign. You're going to scroll down, you're going to come around to the budget and click add set budget. And that's all for the campaign. We're going to move on to the ad set. Just click this button right here. Now for the ad set, it's going to be a dynamic ad set, so you can name it whatever you want. You're going to come over to the conversion location and set it to instant forms and make sure you have your Facebook page selected. Performance goal, we're going to leave on maximize number of leads. Scroll down. You're going to want to turn dynamic creative on and then set the daily budget to about $30 a day. Come down to your audience, and you guys might not see this breakdown, but you're going to see something like locations. You're going to be able to select the location. And you're going to be able to actually type in a place or an area. And then after you type in the place of the area, you're going to be able to set a certain mile radius of your choice. We only had our mile radius set on about 10 miles outside of the Baltimore, Columbia area. And you're going to come down to the minimum age and set it to as high as possible, which is 25. This is because most homeowners are not under the age of 25. Now once you've done that, you're going to scroll down and then select the age. For the age, we actually did 35 to 65. I recommend you guys doing 26 to 65 plus. You're going to go ahead and click Save Audience and then come down to the placements. And then for the placements, you're going to want to edit your placement controls, turn this setting on, and then turn all these boxes off. Then you're going to scroll down. You're going to see a little button right here. It says Show More Settings. You can click that and you're going to see the platforms and the placement controls. You're going to want to go ahead and click this right here and only turn on Instagram Stories, Facebook Stories, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. Have all of these off, and then also select the Facebook feed, Instagram feed, and the Instagram profile. Then you can click next, or you can just go over here and click the ad, and then I like naming it the date just so I can keep track of things. Obviously you're gonna have your Facebook page selected and also the Instagram profile connected, and then you can scroll down, have this on single image or video, select instant form, and then you're gonna wanna add your creatives. I usually post about 8 ads for every service business, and I only find about 2 winners. So I actually recommend making around 8 to 6 ads every single time you create a dynamic creative and you want to test some content out. For our ads, we tried out this image right here and then this image right here. Now I'm going to show you guys the ad that did the absolute best so you guys can copy and make some variations.
Do you live in Howard County and still clean your own windows? Hi, my name is Jackson and I own CQ Services. We've cleaned over 200 homes in the area and maintained a perfect 5-star rating right here in Howard County. We use commercial grade equipment on every home we service, so your windows will come out streak-free, fast, and done right the first time. Right now, for this month only, we're offering $50 off your window cleaning. Click the link below today to get your free quote.
This ad alone has been absolutely killing it for our client, and I'll show you guys the results here. It's gotten 104 leads for about a $13 cost per lead. We spent $1,300 on this ad alone. So if you guys want to make some similar variations for your company as well, I guarantee you'll do pretty well. Always try to make as much content as possible and test as much content as possible, and then you're going to want to do single image after. So you're going to want to turn this setting on right here, and then you can see all of my primary text if you guys want to kind of copy that or just put it into ChatGPT and make something similar for your business. 5-star rated. I'll let you guys just quickly browse through and just see what we have up here. If you want to pause the video, go ahead. And then all the headlines and then all the descriptions. Just talk about how you guys are 5-star rated. And the display link, if you guys have a website you want to send them to, you could do that. And then for call to action, always make it get quote. And then scroll down to instant form, and I'm going to show you how to create an instant form for window cleaning. Click right here, create, and then you can just name it form 1 if you want. I like to set it to more volume or higher intent. It's up to you, but pretty much what higher intent does is it adds a review screen, and it just makes them swipe to submit. Not that important. I like to leave it on more volume, optimized. Turn all of this off, and then for the questions, now these are the 4 questions that I recommend you guys using. You can also turn on conditional logic if you want to make it so the form closes after they submit, just in case you guys want to high qualify. But is your property single story or double story? How many bedrooms are there? What size of your windows would you like to be cleaned? And when would you like your windows to be cleaned? You just want to put, we will contact you as soon as possible. You guys can take your time and make a little bit of a better one, but I recommend keeping it short. And then you're going to want to make sure the phone number is not optional and have the email and full name and also the city if you have a larger radius. And you can go over here and click next. You can add your privacy policy link. You can put book your quote, and then you can also book your quote on the phone. Click below to speak to, and then the person's name, and then just make sure you have their phone number there, and then you can create the form. Now, just in case you guys have run ads before and you have a winning ad, I actually recommend you making another ad set with dynamic creative off and a lot higher budget than before, and use the winning ad. And then on the ad level, you're going to want to have everything connected, do the same exact setup, but then only have your one printing image, and also make all of these tailored to what it says in the video or the image that you have that's a winning ad. Also, if you're a window cleaner making anywhere over 5K USD a month and you want a professional to come into your business, run your Facebook ads, and build you an automated quote booking system, you can book a call with me in the description and we can have a discovery call and see if I can help. And there you have it. That's the entire setup that's made my client over $10,000 in window cleaning jobs.